I'm Atia.
And I'm Chris. We are from SDK Digital Lab, a digital agency based in South Africa. We have offices in Botswana and Cameroon.
We specialize in augmented reality, facial recognition, and facial and eyeball tracking.
We are passionate about innovative technologies, and our passion paid off when we won the Technology Top 100 Awards in the category of Management of Technology in November 2013. So, Atia, what's next for SDK?
At SDK, we're always focused on pushing the envelope, and this time we'll be taking on the world of gaming by launching a fully fledged gaming studio division. Our game development is split into two main categories: mobile and PC gaming and gamification.
Here at SDK, we like to test the waters, so we decided to immerse ourselves in the world of mobile gaming. We released the game based on one of our team members called FlyMo, which is our tongue-in-cheek interpretation of the famous Flappy Bird. FlyMo was followed up by an extremely well-received game called SpaceMo, an arcade-style adventure game which is infamously addictive and notoriously difficult. Watch out for our next release, we are adding plenty of new features. What is a gaming studio without a compulsory first-person shooter though, right? Instead of running off with our imaginations, we figured we'd showcase some African heritage. We wanted to build a game for mobile and PC that stood out from the crowd. There is a historic element to our latest project, Trick and Street Sweep. The first episode of our series is set in Cameroon and is bound to distinguish us from the rest.
Consumers are the center of any brand's marketing strategy, and it simply isn't enough anymore to have a mediocre impact on your target audience's lives. This is where gamification changes it all. Brands are now able to make their digital and experiential campaigns engaging and interactive, both of which help build brand affinity and brand awareness. At SDK, we can gamify your campaign in one of two major ways. The first is through social gaming. Our social gaming experiences are there to be fun, casual, and are aimed at helping brands engage with their fans on platforms like Facebook. We've built everything from simple memory and puzzle games to more intense gaming experiences. Why should you limit your gaming experiences to consoles and smartphones anyway? The second way to gamify your campaign is through activation and event gaming. Our activation gaming experiences are built to draw crowds and use innovative technologies like augmented reality, facial tracking, and motion tracking to give fans and passers-by a shot at something out of the ordinary and buzzworthy. Some of our activation gaming favorites would definitely be the facial tracking F1 game we built for Renault South Africa, which was showcased at the Johannesburg International Motor Show 2013, and challenged players to steer the F1 car around the track by turning their heads, as well as the soccer challenge we showcased with Nokia, which used motion tracking and allowed players to control the movements of an on-screen character.
Now that you've seen what we can do, you can contact us on Facebook or Twitter,
or drop us a mail at sdklab.com.